You understand English, but you can't speak. Everybody tells you, what should you do? Today we will tell you what should you must avoid, what you should not do. So my dear brothers, welcome to all of you Speak English Academy. Today we will tell you only 6 things you should avoid. If you can avoid these 6 things, I believe that certainly you will be able to fluent in English. Certainly you will be able to speak English. So, number 1, don't listen to your friend who say learning English is a difficult task. Some of your friends may say learning English is really difficult task. You should keep in your mind, difficulty is a relative matter. Something may be difficult to me, but not to you. Again, something may be difficult to you, but very easy to me. Suppose I am good at mathematics, but you may be not. Again, you may be good at dancing, I am not. So, difficulty is a relative matter. It varies man to man. So, don't listen to your friends who try to pull you down. Number 2, don't learn English just inside your classroom. Make English a part of your life. So, don't learn English just inside your classroom. You have to make it part of your life. So, how can you make it part of your life? Yeah, we have some tips for you. Watch movies. Number 1, you can watch English movies as much as possible. We have some tips. How can you make it a part of your life? Number 1, you can watch movies. You should watch movies moderately so that it doesn't waste your too much time. Number 2, you can listen to music. Suppose you were wishing to listen to music in your native language, but don't. Just please leave it for 2 or 3 months. Listen to music in English language. Okay. Or listen to English music. Number 3, read storybooks aloud. Aloud means loudly. You can read interesting storybooks loudly, and you have to grow this habit yourself. Number 4, talk to yourself. Yeah, I talk to myself. Even when, suppose I am sitting on a bus, I have nothing to do, I talk to myself. I talk to myself whatever I am seeing, whatever I saw, and whatever I will do after reaching my destination. And you can talk to yourself in front of the mirror. In front of the mirror. It's a good practice, and it's a great thing to achieve fluency. Number 5, learn, and you must do it. Learn at least 5 new words every day. New 5 words every day. It will enrich your vocabulary. Number 3, don't fear of making mistakes. My dear brothers and sisters, there is an English proverb, and it's very common to err is human. Human. It means it's very natural that man makes mistake. And you, everybody makes mistake. So don't fear of making mistakes. You should learn, you should speak through the mistakes. We learn through mistakes. It's a natural process. Number 4, don't compare yourself with other speakers. Yeah, it's really devastating. Please, my dear brothers and sisters, never do it. Don't compare yourself with other speakers. Everybody has a skill. You have some skill, right? You may be very expert in a work, but your friends are not. So don't compare yourself. Be satisfied with your level. Your level may be B, A, not A, B, C, whatever it is. Please be satisfied whatever your level is. Number 5, don't be scared of grammar. Yeah, it's very common disease. Suppose when students starts learning English, he gets scared of grammatical rules. You should keep in your mind, every language have some grammatical rules. Suppose you are a Bengali speaking person, right? Or Chinese or Hindi speaking guy. So your language do have some grammatical rules, but you are very used to the grammatical rules of your language. You can speak Bengali and you can speak Hindi very fluently. So it's a matter of time. It's a matter of time getting used to the grammatical rules of English language. So don't don't fear of grammar. Number 6, Don't be impatient and inconsistent. Inconsistent. Sorry, the spelling is wrong. We are really sorry. This is for typing mistake. Don't be impatient and inconsistent. Please don't rush. Take time and never try to learn English so quickly. Don't try to speak so fast. Speak slowly. Don't rush and never be inconsistent. Please be consistent, my dear brother. You may speak to yourself only 5 minutes a day. You may give only 13 minutes for English learning, but please do it every day. Do it every day. Don't give up. I believe that certainly you will be able to learn English. Yeah, I can speak English and I am speaking English in front of you. I have just shared my experience, the way I learn English. Thank you very much.